Weather alert day because of temperatures and also because of wind. Here's our Pontchartrain Conservancy camera. The seas are angry today, my friend. Look at those winds from the north at about 20 miles per hour. Waves coming ashore. We have a cold weather advisory that's in effect. That's going to be in effect all the way until 10 o'clock tomorrow across the board. Obviously, things are going to be very, very cold. And the wind advisory is also in effect until midnight tonight. Gusts over 40 miles per hour, a possibility. Here are your temperatures right now, and yes, they're still below freezing, even at 9:42 this morning. 31 Bogalusa, 30 in Hammond, 29 in Slidell. But look at the winds from the north at 20 miles per hour, up over 30 as you get close to the water. And here are the wind gusts in the last 15 to 20 minutes, up to 40 miles per hour at the airport, 43 miles per hour right along the lake. So wind chill factor, yes, it's in the teens. It's going to be in the teens for a while. We're not going to warm up all that much tonight. The winds get a little bit lighter this evening, but it's still going to be cold for the parades. Here's high pressure, bringing down all that cold air that'll stay in place through tomorrow afternoon. Temperatures in the single digits around the Great Lakes, and this is the cold air that's just going to rush down over the next 24 hours. It's Exotic Animal Racing Day at the fairgrounds. The track will be fast, the turf will be firm. But if track broadcaster Joe Christofek or John Dooley, the track announcer, are watching, guys, I wish we had warmer temperatures for you. It's a big day at the fairgrounds, and it's still going to be nice weather as long as you got a big coat on. Here's your high temperature today. Only making it to the upper 30s in most spots, and it's still going to be windy. Overnight tonight, these temperatures are going to be falling into the teens on the North Shore, below freezing in the metro for an extended period of time. We have that extreme cold warning in effect until 10 a.m. Tomorrow afternoon, getting back into the 40s, but the warming trend, and I don't think anyone's really going to notice the warmer air until we get into next week, because we're still going to start below freezing on the North Shore Monday morning. We should be above freezing in the metro Monday, but then in the afternoon, okay, high temperatures making it to the upper 50s, even the low 60s. So your forecast for today, we can sum it up with three words: sunny, windy, and cold. High temperature only in the upper 30s. All right, I've crunched the numbers for our two big parades tonight. Slidell tonight, Poseidon. Skies will be clear, still going to be breezy. That's the actual temperature, but in the parentheses, you see the wind chill factor, feeling like 19 by 7 o'clock and 18 by 8 o'clock. Not much better for Crew de Vue. Tonight in New Orleans, yes, skies will stay clear, but your wind chill factor likely falling into the low 20s. Winds from the north at about 10 to 15 miles per hour. And we do have that wind advisory that stays in effect until midnight, but the wind should be getting a bit lighter as we go through the evening. Extreme cold warning in the forecast tonight. Clear and cold, still breezy. Teens for the North Shore, 20s elsewhere, everyone well below freezing. Mostly sunny, less breezy, and warmer tomorrow with a high in the mid-40s. Then we get to the upper 50s for the afternoon high on Monday. Back close to 70 by Tuesday, but a pretty good chance for rain Wednesday night into very early Thursday, getting a little bit cooler by the end of the week. That's your WDSU First Warning Forecast.